In this video, I will show you how to change your PayPal password, both if you do know what it currently is or you're at least signed in, and if you don't know what it currently is. So first, if you can sign into your account, then the easiest way to do it is to just go to Settings, and then from Settings go to Security, and then go and click on Update right here next to Password, and then here you can change your password really simply. So first verify it's you, so just receive an SMS or a call. And then from there you can confirm your current password and then enter your new password. So that's if you know what it currently is. If you don't know, then you will most likely be logged out. So then just go to the login page and enter your email address and then click forgot password. Now it's in Dutch right here, but just click forgot password. And then they will send you a text message or send an email. So enter the code. And then you also need to verify your emails, so also enter that code. And now here you can also set a new password, so just enter the password and enter it again and then click save. And you would then also have changed your password if you don't know what it currently is. So that's how to change your password on PayPal. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.